Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In the previous lecture we have seen our method to find out profitable niche. Now once you have done a thorough research on different niches and if you have selected the best niche that you would like to go ahead with, the next step is to find out the profitable keywords, the keywords that in the beginning you can take with good traffic and you can rank easily on Google with some good articles. You can easily get rank on Google. You have to find keywords that are applicable to your niche, which are easy, low competition or medium competition, and can be ranked with one or two articles optimized when we go to the content. So we have to find such kind of good keywords. Now the main kinds of keywords that we need is, here I have written the top keywords that work for affiliate marketing, such as top 10, top 5. Like for example, if we go with the keto diet, then top 10 keto diet meal plan, top 10 keto supplements, top 5 keto supplements, best keto supplements, cheap keto supplements, alternative to keto, this brands, and reviews. So these are best keywords when it comes to affiliate marketing and affiliate product marketing. These are the best keywords that majorly affiliate marketers use. So we should first try to find out good keywords based on these keywords and our niche. To find out the good traffic, we should find with low amount of SEO difficulty. So you should create a spreadsheet with keyword, traffic and SEO difficulty and write down all of them. Try to find good keywords with these keywords. So let's search. As we have taken the keto diet or keto related products as our niche, so we are going to search a good keywords with these keywords and with low SEO difficulty and high traffic. So let's search. We go and search for top keto. We will get an overview. It is an SEO difficulty of 47, but we can go with keyword ideas, and where we can have a search volume of SEO difficulty from 1 to 39. We can filter it out. Now top keto, it doesn't have much of searches. However, 720 is good. I would say anywhere from more than 500 is a good keyword to go for in the beginning when you're going for beginning. So this would work. And top keto resource recipes, 210, 36. Top keto meals, so we can promote this product, but they all are 100 to 200. We would need any keyword that is more than 500 searches and lower to rank. So we can take this top keto recipe as our keyword. So top keto recipes. We can promote various books or various programs about top keto recipes on this along this keyword from Amazon and other affiliate networks. So it's has 720 in the beginning, 720, more than 500 with good SEO difficulty. As the SEO difficulty is 23, so it's easy to rank. So we can get at least 720 people as a traffic to our blog through this keyword. So it is a good keyword to select. We can promote various books and programs of keto recipes that people are writing, digital products, or we can promote different groceries or supplements through this keyword. So top keto recipes, like we can promote like coconut milk and all that, which are used in keto recipes through under this keyword. We can write different recipes which includes such kind of products such as coconut milk, butter and all that, and that can lead to Amazon affiliate program and we can make money in that. So it has a 720, more than 500 traffic. It is in the beginning level, more than 500. If your keyword has a traffic, it's good with, and that too with the good SEO difficulty, that is 23. It's very easy to rank. Now every other is low ranking keywords. However, if we like, we can take other keywords also, like top 10 keywords, keto supplements. Keto supplements are high ticket items. They are more than $50 or $60, so we can get good commissions out of it, and 36 is still good. So we can take these keyword also, even though they have a volume of 50 only, but still keto supplements are high ticket items, so our commission would be more. So we can take it, but still in the beginning you can take as many keywords. In the beginning we need as many keywords as possible, because it is hard for us to go for high competitive keywords. So in the beginning you can have like normal searches of 50 or 60. Once you get 20-30 keywords with high searches with good amount of traffic, you can go for high competitive searches. So it has a 36, that is okay SEO difficulty. Top keto diet books is good, so we can use these things, these keywords, but they are 50. Now let's go. I don't want to make this a big video or lecture, so we'll try to see other keywords also. We'll go with best keto. Also, you can try different countries like India, United States, UK, and because they might be different for different countries. Different countries might have different ranking and SEO difficulty. What would be difficult in United States might not be difficult in United Kingdom, so you should check for different countries. Now you can see that best keto keyword has good amount of traffic with good SEO difficulty. That's one of the good. So you can see that best is a good keyword. So we can take all these keywords. Best keto recipe. It has 12,100 traffic. That is good, and that too at a keyword for difficulty of 26. So we can get monthly 12,100 easily with just 1 or 2 articles with this keyword, and we can easily rank our article and get a good conversion. I think as per my experience, health and fitness and keto recipes get around 2 to 3%. It gets more than the minimum conversion rates from 2 to 5%. So we can get a good traffic, and you can see that 12,100 is a good traffic when it comes to keyword ranking and all, and that too at a SEO difficulty of 26. So it's a good niche. So we can take this. Best keto food is good. Best keto app is not good. Best keto foods. It has around 6,600 and 30 is its ranking, so it's easy to rank. Best keto nuts is good. We can promote different products from Amazon, different kinds of nuts that are available during the keto diet. We can promote them, and it has one very great. It's one of the great. Like SEO difficulty of 17 would be considered a very great. You can easily rank with just 1 or 2 articles on this keyword. Now let's see another one. Best keto desserts. We can have different kinds of products or bars. On Amazon you can find keto bars, the keto cookies or keto bars, which are available for ketogenic people. So we can promote those products on our website, and it also has a good volume with just an SEO difficulty of 34. So we can rank this keyword easily with 4,400 people, and we can see on Amazon there might be different kinds of bars and desserts that are available on Amazon, and we can promote them and we can get a good traffic. So we can see that our monthly traffic can go from anywhere from 1,000 to 20,000 easily if we choose this. Best keto protein powder. It is also one good. as during keto diet people don't get protein easily, especially for vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian and I have done keto diet, and it's hard to get protein easily. So many of the vegetarians might be searching for best keto protein powder. So it is a good keyword. 2900 traffic with 36, it's easy to rank. Again, best keto yogurt, it's also good. During keto people search for this, and it has a good volume, that is 2600, that is 2400, and 37 difficulty is easy to rank. So you can find out such kind of, we can write down all kinds of keywords that are, all we have to see is the traffic. In the beginning we have to find out keywords that are easy to rank and has a traffic of more than 500 people. We can, under keto we have found out good keywords with good ranking, like 12,600 with easy to rank. Difficulty level is very low. For example, 17 just for keto nuts, it's 17, so it's very easy to rank. So you can see best keto is our keyword. If we will write our content against with the best keyword for our website. Another one is cheap, so we can look for cheap keto. I like this tool of Neil Patel because they provide with all kinds of keto diet, all kinds of keyword researches and keyword ideas. So if you are missing some kind of keyword idea, if it is hard for you to get keyword ideas, you can easily search. They will show you with all kinds of different applicable keywords with the A/B testing. Also, if you can see, they also provide you with list of different kinds of competition, different websites which you can check out and find out they are your competition. So you can learn more and analyze their websites. You can see how much visits they are getting, what kind of social shares they are getting, so that to get understanding of how they are ranking, what kind of keyword they are ranking. So this is one of the best thing that Mr. Neil Patel is providing. This is one way to go for our keyword research. You should spend a good amount of time to find out your best keyword. I would say find out at least 10 to 20 keywords under your niche which has more than 500 traffic per keyword, and the SEO difficulty should be around 15 to 39. It's good. It can be easily ranked. All you have to do is just write a good content article and share it on different social media, and you will get good amount of traffic. And we are going to share with some of the good traffic ideas of free traffic, how to generate free traffic to your affiliate offers in the upcoming lectures. So we have find out some good keywords. These best keywords are working very good, and also there are other keywords that we can try, and we can also find some good keywords with good traffics and a good SEO difficulty, minimum SEO difficulty, so we can rank these keywords. If we write down 9 to 10 articles on all these things, we can easily get monthly 10 to 20,000 visitors easily. And if 30,000 visitors are there, and if conversion is 1%, that is 300 people, I would say we can earn easily $1,000 to $3,000 per month within 2 to 3 months. So this is how you should start with your keyword research. If you want, you can some of the other free ways of finding keyword is, one is Google. All you have to do is just go to Google. If you want to get some good keyword ideas, what you can do is, like, we can write keto, and there comes different kinds of keywords. So these are keywords that people are searching, like keto weight loss, keto tablets, keto capsules, soaps, recipes, nutrition. So these are different keywords that people are searching. So we can take these keywords, go to Uber Suggest, and try to find out what are the different traffic and the SEO difficulties of these keywords, and we can find out more keywords for our niche with their difficulty level and their traffic. It will help us get more ideas on how to promote different kinds of products. Also, once you search on Google for keto, if you go down, you will find out different kinds of searches that people are doing. Keto diet plan for beginners, so this could be a good keyword. Keto pills, keto diet pills. So these are the best ways to find out good keywords, and with their traffic, make a spreadsheet about all the keywords with their traffic and their SEO difficulty. Rank the first, write articles on the best keywords with low SEO difficulty and high traffic, and you will start getting good traffic towards your blog, which will increase your conversion ratio. So this is the keyword strategy. You should find out at least 10 to 20 keywords with where every keyword has 500 more traffic with SEO difficulty from anywhere from 1 to 39. In the next lecture, we will see different affiliate offers and different affiliate networks where we can find out products to promote on our keto diet, and I will share with you different ways to get affiliate offers, including Amazon affiliate and different other networks. Thank you.